What is Telcoin? Telcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, an ERC-20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain, an open-source project aimed to provide users with a low-cost, efficient, yet secure experience for sending digital remittances via mobile platforms and e-wallets. Tel is the native cryptocurrency used in the Telcoin ecosystem for payments. Developed in 2017 by a Singapore-based organization, Telcoin's goal is to make money transfers smarter. Despite advances in technology, international wiring remains fragmented, often slow, and costly due to transaction fees. Telcoin bridges fiat currencies and crypto by leveraging blockchain technology to make money transfers nearly instant and low cost. The remittance industry is central to Telcoin's mission as it aims to provide an alternative to services like Western Union. It supports multiple e-wallets and mobile money platforms, targeting partnerships with major telecom giants like AT&T and Verizon to enhance mobile transfers and reach a wider audience with seamless, contactless service. By collaborating with e-wallets and telecoms, Telcoin strives to offer a hassle-free way to send money, aiming to provide users with a highly efficient experience.